Welcome to Project Zapworks Teardown Edition. You need to open this key, but you don't know how to pick. Don't have a key? Well, you should know where to cut it. You need to cut the screw, which is holding this one, and you need to cut it. You see this number? This is where you place this one, a handsaw. Just count 5 on the groove. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make sure it's on the side of the number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then make your cut just like that. Why cutting this area? Because that is where the screw holding this. Then still lock. Of course, get some key, which that doesn't work, but it can remove this one. Any key will do, just to pull this out. And what did we cut? We just cut this one, and this out. Then just pull. This one, the bearing ball holder. You drop it and it's open. This is the one that we cut. See? Well, why did we cut? What's the purpose of it? In case of emergency, you need to open it, and there is no key around, you lost the key, well, you can use that. But this one, the old one, the different key that we just put it in place so that it can pull it out, is this the one. See, just cut this one, just cut this one. And yes, this cannot be saved already, but you can save this. You can replace the nylon shackle to this one. It's just the same. So that's it. Thank you for watching. So like and subscribe.